A warm hello and welcome to you all friends. Welcome to Dr. Prachiti Punde channel where we are going to learn a lot of mind skills, a lot of mind hacks to help and establish a wonderful and successful life ahead. Today we are going to talk about positive thinking and positive affirmations. So we constantly and significantly hear from everybody that we have to be into positive thinking. All the while we have to think positively, we have to think for positive aspects in life, and we have to be positive so that we be in a higher vibration of consciousness and attain success in life. But do we really have a clarity for all these positive thing aspect? Let me tell you. Imagine a glass full of water. A water is clear in the beginning. This water represents your childhood. So as a child, you were clear and pure. And if at that time you would have had positive thoughts and positive affirmations, it would have helped you a hell lot. But as and when as a child you grow up, you are forced by your parents to attain certain qualities, to study hard, to get good marks, to be good at something, maybe drawing or sports. You are forced by the society and its society norms. You have to follow the society culture. You are forced against your will and wish to fit into the society aspect. You are sometimes stressed out because of the peer pressures of the schooling, because of the peer pressures or the pressure of the relatives as you grow along, and when you are being told that you are simply not good enough, you have to do this, you have to achieve this, you have to achieve that. Instead of playing, just stop playing and focus on your studies, concentrate on your studies. These are the external stressors which are diluting the water in the initial stage. So with these mindsets, you try and form, sometimes kids go into self-blaming, kids go into guilt feelings, and as and when they grow up, they have these shame factor within themselves. They start having a negative self-talk about themselves. And even I have found many of my patients, my clients, which talk tremendously negative about themselves. So as and when you start self-blaming yourself, this becomes the added impurity of the internal stressor. So these are the internal and external impurities which are being added in the clear water. So now imagine the glass full of water. It was clear in the childhood, but as you have grown up, you have carried these impurities in the water. The water represents your mind. So these impurities are there. Now you are adding in more and more of clear water through these positive thoughts and positive affirmations. But the impurities still lie there. So how are these positive affirmations and positive thoughts going to help you? So friends, for these things, first and foremost, you have to do the self-mastery class. First of all, you have to remove this self-blaming, you have to remove these impurities, you have to remove these guilt, these shaming, and for that you have to know yourself first. For the positive affirmations and the positive mindset thinking to work on you, you have to develop certain good habits. Do check my another video for habits, my another video for shame and guilt also, which I will be sharing in the end of this video. So friends, coming back to how we can keep these positive thinking and positive affirmations working for us in our life is by developing 5 aspects. So what are these 5 aspects? Do you want to know? Surely I'll tell you, but even I would like if you do like and comment on my videos. If you like, please leave a nice comment for me friends, so that I keep on going ahead. Yes, so coming back to these 5 habits, good habits which we need to develop for our own self and for the positive thinking and positive affirmations to work on us are, first of all, you will have to see what are your strengths. From childhood until now, each and every individual is unique in his or her own self. So you have to identify your strengths and you have to admire your strengths. At whatever point of your life, if you come across self-blaming or taking the guilt for not doing any certain thing, then what you can do is you can just focus your aspect on your strengths, and then you can have this positive feeling within yourself. Second is you have to be in a state of gratitude. Yes, gratitude is the biggest blessing on this earth. You have to find out all the things for which you can be grateful for, and make it a habit of writing at least three things you are grateful for, and read those three things again and again and again, so that your focus remains on this positive aspect and you yourself are positive for the positive thoughts to work upon you. The third important thing is intentionally. Yes, right. You have to do these things intentionally. Intentionally go on for searching what are the positive situations in your life, and focus on these positive situations also. Whenever you are in a state of sadness, in a state of grief, in a state of helplessness, just try and focus, remember and recall these positive situations as good memories in your life. Often we tend and land up in remembering the bad memories of our life, but we have to focus and make a habit of remembering such good memories also for us. The fourth thing is intentionally build healthy relationships around yourself. Such relationships, such friend circle, such a community around you which would praise you, which would make you move ahead in your life, which would guide you, which would make you feel happy. So create, build and develop happy and healthy relationships, and build a happy environment for yourself. So the fifth aspect is build a very nice, happy, comfortable, cozy environment for yourself where you can find peace and happiness. And with all these five aspects, you have realized now that you have constantly to be in a state of positivity for the positive thoughts and positive affirmations to work on you. Yes, exactly. So, positive thinking is not something which you think and leave it. Positive thinking and positive affirmations are something in which you should be into action all the time, all the while, often and often, again and again, day by day, every day, months, years to go, and then slowly and steadily you will land up into positive habits, positive thinking and being positive all the while. So it's not about positive thinking, it's not about positive affirmations, it's about being positive. So be positive, be happy and be blessed. Stay safe friends. Thank you. Bye.